Now at 4 o'clock.
A sex offender scandal. Victims coming forward demanding justice after they say a company knowingly hired a sex offender. They say the convicted felon molested several young boys while serving as a property manager.
And today they filed a lawsuit. Local 10's Janice Fernandez was there as they announced their legal actions.
Well, the parents of those victims say that Adam Goldberg, who is a registered sex offender, should have never been hired as a property manager in the first place. Being a property manager, he had access to master keys, computers, and also had direct contact with tenants. 6, 12, and 14 years old. Those were the ages of Adam Goldberg's 3 victims at the time he allegedly sexually assaulted them.
He raped little boys. He sexually assaulted them after earning their trust. A master manipulator was invited into these homes and did what he did best, or worst.
In 2004, Goldberg was convicted in federal court for possession of child pornography and became a registered sex offender. In 2011, he was hired by Jerome Stern as a property manager for multiple Section 8 homes in Miami. The tenants were never notified that the property manager was in fact a registered sex offender.
These parents had every right to believe that the man who had the keys to their homes was somebody who did not get sexually aroused by watching little kids have sex with each other.
Goldberg established a relationship with those victims by giving them gifts and tickets to sporting events. He is accused of luring the 3 boys to his home on Northwest 97th Street, where he drugged and sexually assaulted them. The parents of 2 of the victims did not want their names or faces on camera, but tell us their sons have a hard time getting back to a normal routine.
After his interact with Mr. Goldberg, his grades tremendously dropped. He started acting out, getting in trouble.
It was not easy. He felt humiliated. He felt that somehow he would be bullied in school because of that.
The family says Goldberg should have never been hired in the first place and say they're holding the property management company responsible for what happened to their children.
I mean, I would ask him why. Why did you do it? Like, now you have my child with trust issues. He don't really trust no one.
And in a deposition, Jerome Sturm admitted that when he hired Goldberg, he knew that he was, in fact, a registered sex offender. We reached out to his attorney, but have not heard back as of news time. Reporting live in Miami, Janice Fernandez, Local 10 News.